Mm, A very greetings to you. My name is Sifiso Ernest Nomazumbelana. I live in Eastern Cape, Lusikisiki, the small town in Lusikisiki, South Africa. I'm a businessman. I'm a musician as well. I have a company that is called Tembisile and Tandi NPC. My company is enhanced to bring joy to the young businesswomen and men in music industry and everything that is related to art forms. We have so many programs that we are running right now, including the Tembisile and Tandi Awards, Tembisile and Tandi Beauty Pageant. So in this company, it's a registered trademark that has been registered last year on 2024 on the April. So on this company, the only thing that we are focusing on is to build a friendly relationship to the youth of today, teaching them and workshopping them to understand that in nowadays you can earn a living just because of opening your own enterprise and be your own boss. That will make you a businessman of all times, because people of today, more especially the youth, they don't believe in those things. They believe that one day they want to become the nurses and all that stuff. And if you take a look at the universities, there are so many people who are striving to do the same. So it's not all of us are going to be the nurses, the policemen, the doctors. Others, they have a talent in music, they have a talent of sewing, they have a talent in poetry, and even pottery as well, recycling and other stuff. So that's why we go out there and talk to the youth, bring them together to make sure that we teach and show them that they can open their own enterprises and their own businesses, and they can earn a living by doing so. So in Tembisile and Tandi Awards, it's not only an organization that is enhanced to build the musician only. We are building the musicians, the actors, the models, the likes of young business women and men, and everything that is related to art. So I'm sending this message to beg for a support, because we are lacking the resources to make this dream become a reality. So we're hoping that our request will reach your favorable consideration. I can be contacted on 073 I'll repeat with 073 my email is robthemusic86042 I'll repeat it as robthemusic8604 I thank you. Hopefully, our application will be a success one. I thank you.